In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on the Airbnb app. Managing your currency settings on Airbnb is a straightforward process, ensuring that you view all prices in a format that makes the most sense for you, especially if you're frequently traveling or booking accommodations in various countries. So let's dive right in and walk through each step you need to take to adjust your currency settings seamlessly. First, the process begins on your personal computer. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Airbnb website. Once there, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial because, without being logged in, the settings you adjust won't be associated with your profile, meaning you'd miss out on the personalized experience Airbnb offers. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another, often referred to as a hamburger icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options. Among the choices presented, you'll want to locate the option labeled Languages and Currency. Selecting this ensures that you navigate to the specific settings where you can make changes to how prices and languages are displayed within your account. Once in the Languages and Currency section, turn your attention to the currency settings. You'll see an option labeled Currency. Clicking on it will present you with a list of available currencies. This list includes a wide range of global currencies, allowing you to select the one that aligns best with your needs, whether that's the currency of your home country or perhaps that of a frequently visited destination. After clicking on your chosen currency, you'll notice that the selection has been highlighted, confirming your choice. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've made your selection, Airbnb will automatically apply this setting. From this point forward, whenever you conduct searches or make bookings, all the prices you see will be displayed in the currency you've chosen. This adjustment not only simplifies your browsing and booking experience, but also prevents any unwanted surprises related to exchange rates or unexpected charges. It keeps your budget transparent and easy to manage as you plan your travels. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your currency settings, making every future interaction on Airbnb smoother and more intuitive. Feel free to explore other settings and features within the menu to further tailor your Airbnb experience to your liking. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!